Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're unraveling a thrilling mystery, the ultimate clue. If she asks this, she's crazy for you. If you've ever been unsure about someone's feelings, this video is for you. Before we dive into this intriguing topic, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. Let's get started. 1. She asks about your future. This is a great starting point. When she begins asking about your future, it's like a window into her heart. It shows that she's genuinely interested in what's ahead for you. Whether it's about your career goals, dreams, or aspirations, her curiosity means she sees herself being a part of your journey. It's a clear sign that she's emotionally invested because she's thinking long-term and imagining a future where you're both together. This kind of interest is a beautiful thing in a relationship because it signifies that she's not just here for the present but envisions building something lasting with you. 2. She inquires about your day. When she consistently asks about your day, it's like a warm and caring embrace. It means that she wants to be a part of your daily life, to share in your experiences, both good and not so good. It's a clear indicator that she cares about your well-being and happiness. This kind of emotional investment is wonderful because it's the little things, like asking about your day, that build strong connections in a relationship. It's her way of saying, "I'm here for you, always." 3. She asks about your family and friends. This is a sign that she's not just interested in you but in your world as a whole. By inquiring about your family and friends, she's showing that she values your connections and relationships. It's a way of saying, "I want to know everyone who's important to you." This level of interest is a surefire sign of emotional investment because it signifies a genuine desire to be a part of your life, not just as a romantic partner but as someone who truly cares about your entire support system. 4. She asks about your passions. When she starts asking about your passions and interests, it's a beautiful gesture. It means she wants to understand what makes you tick, what excites you, and what drives you. Her curiosity about your hobbies and interests shows that she values your individuality. This level of emotional investment is crucial in a relationship because it signifies a deep appreciation for who you are as a person. It's like saying, "I want to know every facet of you, including the things that light up your world." 5. She asks for your opinion. When someone frequently seeks your opinion and genuinely values your judgment, it's like being seen as a trusted advisor. Her respect for your insights means she values your perspective and trusts your decision-making. This is an important sign of emotional investment because it shows that she sees you as a reliable and wise source of guidance. It's her way of saying, "I respect your thoughts, and your input matters to me." 6. She asks to meet your close ones. Asking to meet your close friends or family is a significant step in any relationship. It's like extending an open invitation into your inner world. Her interest in meeting your loved ones signifies her readiness to integrate herself into your life on a deeper level. This level of emotional investment is a big deal because it shows that she's not just here for the fun moments, but is thinking about building lasting connections with those who are important to you. It's like saying, "I want to be a part of your world, and I'm ready to embrace all of it." 7. She asks to spend more time together. When someone consistently requests more quality time together, it's like a melody of longing. Her desire for more time with you is a powerful indication of her feelings. It's a clear sign of emotional investment because she's expressing that your presence is something she values deeply. This kind of enthusiasm for spending time together is heartwarming because it shows that she enjoys your company and cherishes the moments you share. It's like saying, "I can't get enough of you, and every moment with you is special." 8. She asks for your advice. Frequently seeking your advice and respecting your input is like a nod of trust. Her interest in your opinion means she values your insights and judgment. This is an important sign of emotional investment because it signifies that she sees you as a reliable source of guidance and wisdom. It's like saying, "I trust your thoughts and your perspective matters to me." 9. She asks about your past. When someone asks about your past experiences, it's like opening the pages of your life story. Her curiosity about your history shows that she's interested in understanding your journey, the experiences that shaped you, and the lessons you've learned. This kind of emotional investment is valuable because it's a sign that she wants to know the complete you, including where you've been and what you've overcome. It's like saying, I'm here to embrace every part of your story. 10. She asks about your dreams. Inquiring about your dreams and aspirations is a beautiful gesture. It signifies that she not only cares about your current self but is interested in your future. Her curiosity about your dreams means she believes in your potential and wants to support your goals. This level of emotional investment is inspiring because it's like saying, I want to be a part of your journey toward your dreams, and I'm here to cheer you on. 11. She asks about your well-being. Consistently asking about your well-being and health is a sign of genuine care. It's her way of saying that your happiness and health are top priorities to her. This level of emotional investment is heartwarming because it shows that she genuinely cares about your physical and emotional state. It's like saying, your well-being matters to me, and I want to be here to support you in every way. 12. She asks for your comfort. Frequently asking if you're comfortable or need anything is like offering a warm and caring hand. Her consideration for your comfort shows that she wants you to feel at ease and content when you're with her. This kind of emotional investment is precious because it's her way of saying, I want you to be comfortable and happy when you're with me. 13. She asks about your hobbies and interests. Inquiring about your hobbies and interests is like peering into your world with genuine interest. Her curiosity shows that she values what makes you unique and what you're passionate about. This kind of emotional investment is wonderful because it signifies a desire to connect with you on a deeper level. It's like saying, I want to know more about what makes you, you. 14. She asks for your support. Asking for your support or help is a sign of trust. It means she sees you as someone reliable and dependable. This kind of emotional investment is meaningful because it shows that she values your partnership. It's like saying, I trust you to be there for me when I need it. 15. She asks for your presence. Frequently asking for your company is like an invitation to share moments together. Her desire for your presence is a clear sign of emotional investment. It's her way of saying that she enjoys your companionship and values the moments you share. This kind of enthusiasm for being with you is heartwarming because it shows that she cherishes the time spent together. It's like saying, I love having you by my side. 16. She asks about your feelings. When someone inquires about your emotions and feelings, it's like creating a safe space for vulnerability. Her curiosity shows that she values your emotional connection. This kind of emotional investment is crucial because it signifies that she wants to understand your inner world and be a supportive partner. It's like saying, I'm here to listen and understand your feelings. 17. She asks about your future together. When she starts discussing a future that includes both of you, it's a clear indication of her deep feelings and commitment. Her openness about a shared future shows that she envisions a lasting bond with you. This kind of emotional investment is significant because it signifies a willingness to build a life together. It's like saying, I see a beautiful future with you by my side. 18. She asks for reassurance. Seeking reassurance or your thoughts about the relationship is a way of strengthening your connection. It shows that she values the security of your bond and wants to ensure that you both are on the same page. This kind of emotional investment is essential because it signifies that she's committed to nurturing and maintaining a healthy relationship. It's like saying, I care about our connection and want to make sure we're both feeling secure and happy. 19. She asks about your dreams together. Inquiring about your shared dreams and aspirations is a sign of her commitment to a life together. It shows that she envisions a beautiful future where both of you are working towards common goals. This level of emotional investment is inspiring because it signifies a deep connection and a desire to build a life filled with shared dreams. It's like saying, I see us working together to achieve something amazing. 20. She asks about your love. When she openly discusses love and emotions, it's a powerful sign that she's ready to take the next step. Her willingness to talk about love signifies a deep emotional connection and a strong desire to move forward in the relationship. This kind of emotional investment is a beautiful thing because it's like saying, I'm ready to take our relationship to the next level, and I'm excited about the love we share. In conclusion, when she asks these questions, she's showing that she's deeply invested in you and the relationship. Remember that open communication is key in any relationship, and it's essential to discuss your feelings and expectations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone, and may your love story be filled with understanding and beautiful moments.